Creating the high-speed laner is just another value-added device that we already did, and we've done it several different ways. And what we did is we pulled all of these systems together and developed one very economical yet very robust system that can do it all.
At Shuttleworth, we've always prided ourselves in partnering with our customers to solve their most challenging automation needs. In evaluation of existing and new production lines with our customers, in the food industry specifically, there was a big need for high-speed, clean, lane dividing solution.
Other laners we've designed in the past have all of the mechanism above the conveyor and over the products. And so we decided to go back to the drawing board and come up with a design so that we can fit that market better.
So we've moved all the diverting and driving mechanisms underneath the conveyor surface to minimize the chance of contamination from overhead devices. There are no sensors overhead. All you have is your guides and your conveyor surface. All of the servo technology resides underneath, yet in a very washed down environment, very easy to access and maintain.
The lane divider is primarily suited for heavy washdown sanitary environment. It can go up to 700 products per minute. It is a sanitary design and meets our Easy Clean standards. So it's all stainless steel construction for the framework. The bearings are all stainless, sealed, and any lubrication needed on the system is automatic, but it could be adapted to fit any application that requires high-speed lane diverting. The laner contributes to general handling because it is a completely dynamic motion. The product never stops or changed in speed, drastically. It's all a fluid motion.
We use the guides on the lane divider to actually extend along with the product, matching its rate of speed, and then dividing into slug length.
That is one of the key things that allows us to do the higher speeds. Without having to break product is able to convey through seamlessly. The tunnels extend out at the same rate the product is conveying through and shifting to the side at the same time, which allows us to have the increased rates and higher throughputs.
Throughput in a production environment is really critical, so customers usually want really fast changeovers, and that is usually where the downtime is, either a changeover or something breaking.
In the changeover of a typical production line, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the product. When you compound those times for multiple changeovers over a week or a month or a year, that can add up to significant loss of production for our customers throughout that time. With this device, we can do that changeover with the push of a button. You can adjust the lane width and run a 3-inch product or a 6-inch product.
In addition to that, you can change your product count. Everything is HMI driven, and it's very intuitive interface. Allows you to set up a new product within minutes. You can change everything, and just at the simple recall of a push button, you're up and running.
This allows our customers to capture that changeover time back, and it goes straight to the bottom line for them.
A high-speed lane divider can have 2 width adjustment capabilities. One is complete servo adjustment via an HMI setup screen. Another one is a lower cost solution with manual adjustability.
My favorite thing about the laner is that it can be so versatile to run so many different products, varying sizes, varying speeds.
When you have slower production rates, it can run those, and then when you do require the higher production rates, no extra equipment to purchase, nothing to adjust. You just pull up the recipe and begin running the system.
all with the same device, so it's really a great tool for quick changeover and setting up a production line quickly.
My favorite aspect on the high-speed laner is the integrated motion between 4 servos at one time. It's seamless. In operation, it appears as though the laner was made for that very one specific product, but then when you change the product, it goes right along with it. There's nothing there to see. It looks so simple, but yet it is very dynamic.
If it's important to our customers, it's important to us. Whether it's a complex production line or a simple piece of conveyor, we at Shuttleworth always want to continue to be at the forefront of the market and be hyper responsive to our customers' needs.